Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, and other cyber threats. It encompasses a wide range of technologies, processes, and practices that are designed to safeguard our online assets from malicious actors and cybercriminals. The need for cybersecurity has grown exponentially in recent years, as more and more of our personal and business activities have moved online. From financial transactions to healthcare records, we rely on digital systems to store and transmit sensitive information. As a result, cyber attacks have become increasingly sophisticated, frequent, and damaging. To address these threats, cybersecurity professionals use a variety of tools and techniques to protect our digital assets. These can include firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, antivirus software, encryption, and multi-factor authentication. They also employ various best practices and policies, such as regular software updates, password hygiene, and employee training, to reduce the risk of attacks. There are various types of cyber threats that cybersecurity professionals must defend against, including malware, malicious software designed to harm or steal information from computers, networks, and other devices. Phishing, a type of social engineering attack in which attackers use fraudulent emails, text messages, or websites to trick individuals into providing sensitive information. Denial of service attacks, attacks that flood websites or networks with traffic to make them unavailable to legitimate users. Man-in-the-middle attacks, attacks that intercept and manipulate communications between two parties. Ransomware, a type of malware that encrypts files and demands payment in exchange for the decryption key. Overall, cybersecurity is a critical component of our digital lives, and it requires constant vigilance and attention to keep our online assets safe and secure.